If you're trying to rank on search engines like Google, you can't just go around writing blogs and web pages hoping it'll work. You need multiple different SEO tools that can help you find new opportunities, keywords, and track your progressions. Here are some of the tools that you could use. Ahrefs is one of the most powerful SEO tools on the market. They have one of the biggest backlink index, provide a ton of educational content, and use case study that you can use to help your SEO strategy. It's one of the most actionable tools out there. Ahrefs is a pretty complete SEO tool. It's usually used by marketers to analyze your website's link, keyword ranking, and overall SEO performance. Ahrefs can help you with link building, keyword research, competitor analysis, rank tracking, and site audits. In other words, Ahrefs can help you rank higher on Google. It's a great tool to use when doing your keyword research and trying to find new SEO opportunities. The pricing goes from $100 a month up to $1,000, depending on the features, number of keywords, domains, and website you need. Basically, the more data you need, the pricier you'll get. Another SEO tool that should help you create the perfect SEO strategy is Moz. It's a very easy to use tool, so it's perfect for beginners and intermediate SEOs. Similar to Ahrefs, Moz is a popular all-in-one SEO software. It includes features like Link Explorer, Keyword Explorer, and Rank Tracker. How much does it cost? Between $100 and $600 a month, depending on the number of campaigns, keyword ranking, and page crawl. The Similarweb allows you to take a look at your competitors' SEO. Their free tool of website analysis is quite awesome. You get a bunch of interesting data on your competitor's website. From there, you can get a much better understanding of what's working for your competition from a digital marketing standpoint. Similarweb is a tool that estimates the total amount of traffic different website gets. With it, you can see your competitors' top traffic sources and see their referring sites. You can start with a free plan that includes 5 results per metrics, 1 month of mobile app data, and 3 months of web traffic data. If you need more than that, you'll have to talk to a consultant to learn about their pricing. If you're looking for a very complete tool in SEO, SEMrush shouldn't disappoint. They have a plethora of tools available for all your SEO needs. SEMrush has a staggering 40 tools available for your SEO. You can use it for your keyword research, on-page SEO, competitor analysis, content marketing, local SEO, and the list goes on. How much does it cost? Between $120 to $500 per month. It all depends on the features, but also the number of projects and keywords you need. WhiteSpark is a great local SEO software and is one of my favorite out there. It's a Canadian tool that helps you show up in local searches, win new customers, and manage your local presence. WhiteSpark offers different tools. They have a variety of SEO tools like local rank tracker, local citation finder, review checker, and if you need them to do it for you, you can reach them and they're offering the services. They have free plan that includes limited searches and limited features, but their other plan starts at only $14 per month to $150. These are just a few of the SEO tools that you can use for your business. You can also use a reporting tool like Dashdis to combine all of your data into one comprehensive report. This will help you track your new marketing strategies and make sure that these tools are actually helping you out. You're using a great SEO tool that we did mention here? Let us know in the comments below and we might add it to our next video. In the meantime, have a nice day and happy reporting.